Welcome to Lokus GNSS receiver unboxing video. The device box is made up of good quality hard and durable board. The uniquely designed box has 3 chambers, separated by hard paper trays, to hold the charger, cable, pouch, etc. Let me open the box to show you the inside one by one. This is a small pocket which holds the charger and the cable of the device. This is Lokus GNSS receiver, the main device. Now, under this tray stays the durable canvas pouch of the device, which is supplied free of cost with the device, along with the charger and the charging cable. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.